What's going on, guys? Welcome to my 2018 dream setup. To kick things off, let's start with the desk. My main desk is the infamous Ikea Linman desk. I chose the white tabletop, which is approximately 78 inches in length and is resting on two Alex drawers. Right next to it is my secondary desk. It is also an Ikea Linman desk and it's around 39.5 inches. Both desks allow for a large workspace and plenty of room for my laptop, my peripherals, and accessories. The desks have the Yeelight RGB light strip that provides great color to my white and black themed setup. Now, one of the stars of the shows is the monitor. Now, this is a 32-inch 1080p IPS monitor from LG. The monitor has great screen real estate, it's extremely affordable, and has plenty of features such as on-screen controls, split screen technology 2.0. It also has a USB 2.0 hub. I added an RGB light strip on the back to provide a little bit more illumination and bring some ambiance. Now, I placed the monitor on a single monitor arm for mounted, along with a universal VESA bracket to accommodate the 200 by 100 spec. I like the ability to swivel, rotate, and move the monitor to adjust to my working needs. Plus, it looks cool just floating above the desk. From the left side of the desk, there is a set of Ikea frosted lamps anchoring both sides of the main workspace. Inside the lamps are two Wallfire Smart RGB bulbs. Now, I did a review on these bulbs and I'll link it in the video cards above. For my audio, I'm using the Edifier M1380 sound system. Although these are not studio monitor speakers, the two satellite speakers and the power subwoofer deliver a rich dynamic sound. The control knob lets me easily control the power and volume of the unit. Next, I have the white Amazon Echo Dot, which is the second edition. Now, me personally, I love Alexa. Now, my girlfriend isn't a big fan of hers, but she tolerates her. I rely on Alexa to control my RGB lights, my smart bulbs, plugs, and much more. Now, my dream productivity setup is driven by an early 2013 13-inch Macbook Pro with Retina. This machine is far from being spec'd out. However, it has a 2.6 GHz Intel Core i5, 8 GB of RAM, 250 GB SSD, 2 Thunderbolt ports, 2 USB 3 ports, an HDMI port. It also has an SD card slot. Now, for my keyboard, I went with Logitech's MK750 Solar Wireless keyboard in the white and silver color. I paired this with the Apple Magic Mouse to take advantage of the gestures and swift response it gives me when editing videos or doing some design work. Now, above my main desk, when I'm not using the sound system, I have the Lix Pro HAS10 closed back monitoring headphones. These headphones have immersive soundstage, and some well-known YouTubers chose the Lix Pro over the Audio-Technica M50Xs in the blind listening test. Now, the headphones are resting on the black leather Jack Cube design headphone stand with wire management. When I want to kick back and watch movies, I fire up the Iridium 1080p projector that's sitting on an Ikea shelf. Now, underneath the desk, I have the Seagate 1TB external drive. I have a 4-port USB 3.0 hub. I have the Edifier subwoofer and some great wire management that I'm proud of. Now, I opted for the white and black X-Rocker executive office chair with Bluetooth technology and built-in speakers. The chair is extremely comfortable while I'm working and editing videos, and it allows me to adjust the settings to my preferred height. Now, on to the secondary desk. Now, this is primarily used to jot down my notes, filming some B-roll on product reviews, or playing a game of tic-tac-toe on this marble and granite chrome game set. I also have two handmade metal nuts and bolts sculptures on this desk. They often make guest appearances in my reviews. Now, above the desk, I have more artwork, and on another Ikea shelf, I have the DJI Spark, which I'll be using more in 2018 despite the new release of the DJI Mavic Air. The Spark performs just great. Now, I'm not much of a gamer, however, I have a console gaming area with an Xbox 360, a Night Gold controller charging station, and a few more items on the Ikea entertainment unit. This is all connected to a Hisense 42-inch 1080p television that surprisingly has great display. Now, across from that, I have a 6-cube display unit that features my camera lenses, a few antique cameras that one of my friends gave me, also the digital Dashery signs there, and this has the Anki RGB touch lamp, the Rio Link wireless security camera, and some more handmade metal sculptures. Well, that completes my 2018 dream setup. I'm certain I'll be modifying the setup throughout the year, so stay tuned for some future upgrades. Now make sure you connect with me on social media. Also, make sure you hit that like button. If you have any thoughts on my setup or any kind of recommendations, go ahead and leave me a comment. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribed, click on that notification bell and join the Dashery squad. This is Digital Dashery. We'll do this again soon.